Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys my favorite eyebrow product ever. I feel like this is the world's best eyebrow product slash kind of like a felt tip pencil, if you would call it. Honestly, this brow product is so beyond amazing and I cannot rave about it, I cannot recommend it, I cannot use it, and honestly it's so amazing. I've never been so passionate and so excited regarding a brow product. Whenever I wore this brow product, people would stop me and ask me what am I wearing on my brows, they look amazing and stuff like that. And before I get into more compliments, I'm gonna tell you guys which brow product I'm talking about, and it is from the one and only, you guys have maybe have guessed it, is from Glossier. Now it is the Brow Flick brow product. This product I had been using now over a year now and it's still going really strong, so the lasting power of this is very good. And in today's video also I'm gonna do my brows with you together and talk you through the benefits and the good things regarding this eyebrow pencil, eyebrow felt tip, eyebrow, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but honestly this is one of my absolute favorite brow products. And before I get into the application, I want to tell you guys a little bit about my brows. Now if you see on the camera, my brows from far behind are okay. I mean, they're not the best brows, but also they're not the worst brows. I feel like I have done a very good shape on my brows. I've done it all by myself. I've learned my mistakes in the past. Do not overpluck your eyebrows. Just have it nice and bushy and a little bit thin around here. This is the current eyebrow routine I really enjoy and really like. So my brows from far behind, they don't look crazy like spark. If you come closer, my brows in general are very dark. If you come closer a little bit, if you see from the bottom part, my brows are a bit like spark from the bottom, and I like to fill in that area with the brow flick. It gives you the illusion of real hair because it's so fine and so nice, like a felt tip. So it gives you nice hair strokes, which I really like. Oops, I dropped it, of course, very clumsy me. But in terms of the application of it, it's super easy to use. I know that before, when I was using this product, I was a bit like, oh my god, I can't get my hands around it, but now I feel like I'm an expert, because with the brow products or with products like this, you have to use it and use it till you can basically get the gist of it, or get used after it, and basically you will know how to use it in the future. So definitely try it. If you make a mistake in the beginning, it's fine, but your brows will be better throughout the years, throughout the months, by using it every single day. And honestly, sometimes I've stopped using it because it gives me my brows a total brow look. But on the other days when I was using it, I was like, oh my god, I really miss this product. Why have I stopped using this product? But in today's video, I'm gonna do my brows with you guys together and zoom you a little bit closer. Alright everyone, so I'm zoomed you guys a bit closer, and you guys can see my brows are quite dark in general, and they don't need much filling, to be honest. I always fill in the brows here at the front, and what I like to do, I like to fill in the tail, especially in here, and also here at the bottom. You guys can see it's a bit spark, so I like to fill in those in both areas. And also sometimes I like the foxy eye look, so what I like to do is, of course, I like to extend the brow, which is really good. This pencil is so good for extending the brows, so I like to extend the tail and make it like a foxy eye look. You guys know the foxy eye trend, which I really like. Sometimes, depending on my mood, I like to do foxy eyebrow, or I like to just fill in the tail and make it longer like this way, or I just like to fill in the normal brow shape and don't do any extension at all. So it's quite versatile. And this is the pen. You guys have seen it, I'm sure by now already. It is so good. And this is how the felt tip looks like. It's quite thin. There we go. This is the felt tip. This is how it looks like. It's quite nice and pointy and thin. Please ignore my palms because the gym is really kicking in these days, so you guys can see my palms are quite sore. Without any more rambling, let's just get into the brow. So what I like to do, I like to look up like from the bottom and see which areas I need filling in. For example, I start off always here at the front and fill in the areas, especially here at the bottom. So I like to go very light-handed and brush it over in the front like this, and it gives, the color is so like intense and pigmented, it gives the brow such an instant effect, which I really like. And sorry, I'm looking at my viewfinder. I got my mirror here as well, so it's quite difficult to do like tutorials like this if you don't have all the equipment. And you guys can see the tail is super easy to do. Honestly, this brow routine takes me like 2 minutes to do it now. I'm so quick with this. So what I like to do is just extend it a bit and fill in, especially here the top part, to make it nice and arch look. You guys see? So in this case, I'm gonna do a bit of extension of my usual brow. So I like to take the pen and just draw in like so. And can you guys see how it gives me the extension? And then what I like to do is I like to brush over the top like this. Alright everyone, so 2 minutes are over and I feel like this is the final result. You guys can see how it gave me a nice extension. Like this is the end of my brow. I gave it a nice extension and also like a lifted brow look, so it gives you the foxy eye look and the illusion. Honestly, whenever I do this style, people literally stop me and ask me, what are you wearing on my brows? And I always tell them it's the Glossier brow flick, and honestly they feel like, oh my god, I did not expect that you're wearing this kind of product in your brows, because it gives you brows like look how natural and how amazing it looks, and it looks so detailed. And I love especially how pointy and how detailed the brow is looking in here. And you guys can see this brow, I haven't done it yet. Obviously you guys can see the spark areas in here, however there's no extension, and obviously it needs a filling in here as well, so it needs to be looking all like nice and even. And I'm just so obsessed with this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly do this brow off camera. Alright guys, so I feel like I have not even done this brow routine for 5 minutes. This is how quick and easy it was. Honestly, before, whenever first time I used it, I was like a bit like, oh my god, shaking hands. It didn't turn out the way I wanted to, but now I feel like my brows look so amazing. They look so nice and pointy, and of course it also depends on the shape of the brow. You have to have a nice kind of background or playground, I would say, to play with this product. If you have a nice shape and if you need the areas to be filled in, you can use the brow powder or this pen. So as I said, this pen gives you this nice featherless, this kind of feather effect, this kind of like hair stroke effect look, which I really love, especially the tail area. And I kid you not, there's so many girls who literally stop me and ask me, how did you do your brows, or what are you wearing on your brows, or is this your brow shape, or what did you do on your brows, is this a tattoo, or this looks so great, your brows look so amazing. I've been getting honestly so many compliments. I haven't been receiving a lot of compliments on perfumes, to be honest, like in terms of, oh, you smell nice. Of course I have received compliments, but I've been receiving more compliments regarding my eyebrows, like in terms of what are you wearing on your brows. So I've been telling all the people it is the Glossier Brow Flick product, and they all get like amazed, like, oh my god, I did not expect that you were wearing Glossier. But honestly, look how amazing the brows look. They look nice and natural, nice and amazing, nice and full. What I love about this brow flick is that it's nice and pointy. You guys have seen the felt tip, how nice and pointy it is, and it's so easy to use. It has so much pigment. You would not expect this. This is a small little tip, has so much pigment, so you have to be very careful. If you make a mistake, just quickly wipe it off with like a cotton pad, so it's easy to wipe off. Just use a little bit of water and wipe it off. It's easy to wipe it off as well, but if you just leave it on, it will stay all day long, so super long staying throughout the day, which I really like as well. And a little bit more information regarding the Glossier Brow Flick. So this pencil comes in 3 colors. My colors, by the way, is brown, which I'm not mistaken. Yes, mine is changed, it's brown. It also comes in a blonde and also comes in a black color. I feel like the black color is quite intense. Especially you guys can see the brown color is already intense, so I would recommend you the brown color if you're similar kind of like complexion shade like me. So what is the special? So fills and defines the brow arch, extends the tail, which I like actually, and adds a depth to sparse areas. The pen's brush tip creates a feather-light strokes that actually looks real. And so it's smudge resistant, it's buildable, it's cruelty free, it's sheer, it's vegan, and it's long wearing. It's dermatology tested, and honestly the reviews are 5 stars out of 5 stars. Honestly, people really love it, and I've been had this pen now for over a year. I've already filmed like special videos regarding this, like dedicated videos, and obviously those videos are quite old now. So this pen has lasted me quite a long time, considering I've been using it on and off and consistently using it so much, and I've been really building up the product. And this retails for £15. I think for £15 is such an amazing price, considering it lasts you so long. And yes, there are other pens out in the market. I know that I've been using maybe 1 or 2 other pens from different brands, but nothing has been compared to this, because honestly, I feel like this pen is definitely worth the money and definitely worth the hype. Of course, they also have the matching brow gel, which I also have, and it's also one of the best selling products. This is the Glossier Boy Brow. It is also amazing. You can also set your brows with this. However, sometimes I feel like today, I feel like I don't want to set it in. It's dark enough and stuff like that. So if you want to set it in place, you can also use the Boy Brow. And then again, my shade is brown, I believe. Yes, I'm on a shade brown, and altogether these products are so amazing. And I feel like this is the world's best eyebrow product in the world. It's honestly one of the best, and it's literally beating up the powders or the other products I've been using in the past. Nothing has compared to this, and honestly I love it. Whenever I run out of it, which I haven't yet already, I'm gonna definitely go and repurchase it immediately. Or I feel like after this video, I'm gonna just go and repurchase it, because I'm scared if I run out of this video, because run out of this product, because I love it. Like, it's honestly one of my holy grail products now, and I love it so much. Honestly, I like to take a lot of time on my brows, because the eyebrows are very important for me, especially the eye area, because people will see it. So I like to take my time, and I make sure that it's nice, groomed, and presentable. If you want this kind of polished, kind of effortless look, then this is honestly so good. Also, if you want this messy look with the hair strokes, like very bushy brows, also this could be a very nice idea as well, because if you have a spark areas, just do this hair strokes, and it makes the brows very nice and feathery and nice and bushy. So the variations with this brow product is endless. And yeah, this concludes with this video with the Glossier Brow Flake. I feel like I've given this product a lot of love in this video, and honestly I am in love with this product. It's one of the best eyebrow products I've ever used. What should I call this? Eyebrow pencil, eyebrow product, eyebrow flick, eyebrow feather tip? What is this called? Brow flick. Let's call it just a brow flick. Alright everyone, so this was it with this video. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Glossier. I wish it was, but it is not. It is just out of my own passion to do this video for Glossier. Hope you guys all found this video informative and helpful, and definitely go and check out the brow product. I'm sure you guys will love it as well. Definitely get the bundle. They do like a bundle that you get the eyebrow pencil and the brow together in one bundle, so you save a little bit more cash. If you want to do that, definitely go and get the bundle. I'm gonna leave the links down below in the description for you guys to go and check it out. My shade is, by the way, brown, as I mentioned guys in the previous time, so I'm in the shade brown, so it's perfectly shade for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like these. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.